Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today I shall be looking at card JPY on the 4 hours time frame. And today we shall be using two types of indicators to attempt determine the entry and the exit points. The first indicator that we shall be using is called the Bollinger Bands. This indicator will help us identify the trend, and also it will act as a support and resistance levels. Let's add this indicator. Come to indicators list. You'll come to a trend and you'll be able to see Bollinger Bands. Now we will leave everything as it is. The period will be 20 and we'll color it as maroon. Now as you can see, this indicator has acted here as a support level and here as a resistance level, and also the indicator has established that this is a moving uptrend, as you can see here. As the marking was making higher high and higher low than the previous high and low. Now the next indicator that we shall be using is called the moving average. This indicator will help us identify the entry and the exit points. We shall be using the EMA 50 and the 100 EMA. Let's add this indicator. Moving average. The first indicator is 50 EMA. Let's color it as red. The second EMA is EMA 100. Let's color it as green. Perfect. Now, to identify an entry point, wait for crossover. Here, this is the crossover here. And as long as the price stays above these two EMAs, this and this, we will still be in the trade. Now, exit the trade when the candle closes outside the 50 EMA. Let me show you what I mean. Sorry. You exit the trade when the candle closes below the 50 EMA, this red one here. This is where you exit the trade. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.